Good afternoon to everyone. I am here to talking about the important points of the judgment writing. First is the preliminary issues, and second one is the summary of the prosecutions or the plaintiff case, and summary of the defense case and issues to determine. First is the evidence and the faculties are find factors and the argument of the prosecutions or the plaintiff on the first issues are charged and argue from the side of the second defendants evidence from the either sides and judge evaluating of the evidence and the argument and the language and the style of the judgment. Proper use of English to create the good impact. While writing a judgment, judge should be give the brief proclamation to introduce and theories of the case. Judge to avoiding the repeating pleading and law in the judgment. The presiding officer should be set the scenes in simple and clearly. No long and winding and boring sentence should not be written in the judgment. Judge may to written a judgment in a stylish he is the comfortable with and he is the advised to use the clear judge sentence and structure and organizations. It is a better way to identify the characteristics before telling what they did, and it is described the use the spot of the citations to extract the pages. Be formal and clear and simple and free in a sentence, and it is always better to use the English in a proper way, and phrases may be used in the necessary and liberally use the Latin phrases become a subject citations, and judge is to request to tell the parties of the decisions on the fact brought before him with the applications of the sound of a principle of law. His decisions and what the parties are supposed to do as the necessary conclusions to the judgment and appeals against it, and the judge should be evidence and whole before the decisions case finally. After the judgment is ready and before the pronunciation of the judgment